Hello, welcome to ARPA channel. I'm Jack, the founder of ARPA. This is a module we teach in universities. We will expect students to study the medical device fundamental before the class discussion. The key learning about this module is how to get medical device registered in different countries, and we will cover in 4 sections. My product is medical device, what's the classification, manufacturer requirement, and product requirement. There are still other many specific requirements like company license, local testing, etc. that will be covered in the country modules in the future. Step 1, which is the most important from my angle, is whether your product is a medical device. To know this, you can study the definition here, which is an example of the medical device definition from European market. And the key learning or key criteria to know whether your product is a medical device is whether it have a medical use, and then how it functions. So this is the 2 major criteria that you need to fulfill in order to be a medical device. By comparing to the drug, drug also have medical use, but how it functions is pharmacological, immunological, or metabolic way. And medical device is more physical, mechanical way like that. So this is how to differentiate drug and device. Let's have an interesting example. Do you think alcohol wipes is classified as a medical device? The interesting answer is, what do you want? It could be pharmaceutical if you register this product to clean wound because you have pharmacological action. If you register this product to clean surgical instrument, then it could be a medical device. But if you just use it to clean floor, have no medical claims, then it could be household product. Sometimes you will see a product, we call it combination product, like a drug and a medical device combined together. Then how do you know their classification? Is it drug or device? Again here, the key criteria is you need to determine which part is the primary function. If the primary function is a device, then it could be the device. Let's try another question. You know vaccine is a drug, syringe is a device. Prefilled vaccine syringe, is it drug or device? It's a good example of a combination product. You can see the primary function of this product is to do vaccination. So the primary function is the vaccine, and hence the combined product follow the vaccine classification, i.e. it's a drug product. To make regulatory more fun, there are many interesting exceptions. You need to consider social factor and historical factor when you look at classification as well. Let's try this interesting example. You know color contact lens, they have no medical use. You just give you a color to the eye only. But some country is still classified as a medical device. You know why? Let me share with you the answer in 2 ways. Technically speaking, the product have no medical use. So people will consider that is not a medical device. You know, when you look at our definition, you should have a medical use. But in some country, for example Korea, they will regulate this product as a medical device due to many low quality color contact lens product in the market. And that's why they still want to regulate this product by using medical device regulation. So, how about condom? Is it drug or device? Technically speaking, it should be a device because it has a medical use but function mechanically. But some countries, for example India, regulate this product as a drug because long time ago there's no medical device regulation available when Indian government want to regulate it. So they're using drug regulation at that time to control this product. And that's why it's a drug, due to historical factor. Here's a summary of our step 1, which is most important from my angle. You need to know whether it is a drug or device, and it depends on whether you have medical use and how it functions. And be aware there are some special exceptions like social factor, historical factor. So I hope you can feel you have the regulatory power. You can justify the product, whether it's a drug or device you want, based on the above factor. Remember the alcohol wipes example. Please also subscribe our channel and click the bell button for future update. Thanks for watching.